Welcome back to Carolina Saltwater Living, y'all. It's garden time, and we're going to do a harvest with you this morning. Got some nice stuff in the greenhouse. Let's get to picking. Watch your step so you don't trip on the water hose. It is a real jungle in here. Come on in. These things right here, these little hairs, get up close on a leaf of the tomato. These little hairs cause me to break out, so I have to be real careful in here with tomatoes. Let me sit this bowl down. I've been trying to wait on that one to turn. It's starting to turn. Now if I cut the whole thing, it should keep turning, right?
Yes, already got color to it.
Alright, so I'm going to take this whole cluster off. Look at that. Just like you bought it out of a package in the grocery store, except for you got one that ain't turned all the way. But these look good. Good salad tomatoes. And let me put them in this thing?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they'll all fit. It's that one. And let me, these work better. There's one right there. Can you see that? Should I leave that one? See where my finger is there?
See it. I would go ahead and get that one.
Go ahead and get it?
They're still green. Yeah. You want me to do it? So
No, I'll get it. If I itch, I itch. It's just fine. And these plants are so compact, dense. There we go.
Yeah.
It's turning. Look here. And what I hate is one day I reached up in here to pluck out a real teeny one and pulled off a cluster of those. Made me sick. Made me sick. Here's some more. See, when you get a little teeny one like that, pick that thing off. I missed it. That way all of them will fill out like they're supposed to. These are really, compared to other tomatoes that you've planted in the past, these are like thick leaves. Mm-hmm. Like tobacco.
That's what I was going to say, like tobacco leaves.
Well, it's the same family, right?
Well, yeah.
Nightshades. Mm-hmm. All right, moving on. Oh, there's some good ones. Some good ones. Oh, yeah. There's one. Oh, man. These things are a pain in the rear sometimes. Look there. Look, got that a little late. We'll cut that right away today. That's mold on top. Eat that today. Couple more in the pot. I'm gonna let that one keep going. I know there's got to be some behind me.
There is. I don't see them in there.
You're gonna have to get down there and get these.
Okay.
We'll switch. Oh, there's one right there on top. Look at that. Look at that. There's one hiding behind the stalk there.
I know, I see him.
There's one up above you.
I see that. That one.
Keep looking up.
All right, honey, I see it.
It's hard to get a visual in there. It's just so dense. Look at that. Look, pull that one out. Pull that one out. That's a good one. Not a bad haul. And there's a bunch of tomatoes in here, y'all. you could buy tomatoes in the grocery store. A whole lot easier, a whole lot cheaper than the way we're doing it right here. But this is like insurance, right? If we can't get them in the store, or we don't want to fight traffic, or got a broke leg and can't get to the store, you can come out here and pick tomatoes. I ain't planning on no broke legs, but our neighbor's got one. Not a broke leg, but a twisted ankle. So, but that's good. We'll eat these over the course of a couple of days. Now, I'm gonna pull some lettuce over here, and we'll do that. This is that cut and come again lettuce, I call it. What is it called?
It's a cut and come again spring mix.
Spring mix. And it's not done as good in the heat now. Usually we would have already had 3, probably 4 cuttings. This is only the second one. I cut it back, it nearly died because it was getting about 90 degrees in the greenhouse. Cool season crop for sure, but we get one to last. That's a couple of salads for us out of a little old wicking pot. And here is what you do, and I'll have to we'll have to wash it because dust blowing in, little pieces of dead lettuce. It's not going to be a bumper crop here, but we're going to eat it today. And empty this thing out later. Probably not going to plant any more lettuce until fall. That sound about right?
Yeah.
Get a close up here of me cutting. That's how easy it is to pick this baby lettuce. And it would not normally be baby this time. It would usually be heads by now. It's just been too hot for it. But that'll be good tender. That'll be lunch. And look at that lettuce.
Mm-hmm. That's the mirror lettuce.
And that was old lettuce seed. And it didn't germinate great, but we'll get a salad or 2 out of that. Now.
It's more heat tolerant too, so it'll.
Yeah. All right, check these out. Radishes, they've been in here for a while. I've pulled a few of them. I've been letting them go. It's time to pull them. We'll get these out, take them outside and rinse them, and show you what we do to the tops. After I pull them out, just take a water hose, rinse off the soil best I can, clean them up better in the house, but just don't want all that going down the drain. We just had our septic tank pumped the other day because it needed it. Hadn't been done since we moved in, but I was glad to find out though that we have a newer septic tank for such an old lot, because this lot's been here for 40 plus years. So that was good to see, and it looked like everything else was good with the system too. So, but those make for some really good salads and snacks. They're peppery. Now for the tops, nothing to it, just cut them off. Discard the tops. I don't put them in the compost or raised bed or anything like that. Just throw them in the woods. And why is that?
Because the rabbits will like them.
There you go. They will like it. They sure will. What is that?
Purple bell.
Let me get up where people can see it.
It didn't fill out the whole way, but it's still pretty.
It is, well, it's not even completely done, but it is pretty.
Yes. It's almost all the way purple. It's ready.
Looks good. And there are other types of bales in here that are coming on. They're just small right now, but they're starting to fill out. So that's going to wrap it up for us today, y'all. A little bit of gardening for you. Not like we used to do, right?
No.
Golly, you'd be out there half the day just picking. This is nice. Less is more, y'all. Y'all have a good day and a great week. Lord willing, and the creek don't rise too high. We will see you on the next one.